Join us for an honest review of the Chicken Guy at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida.
Okay, so today we are at Chicken Guy in Disney Springs, and we've passed this place a few times before. Because it's so busy, we decided to stop in today. We literally ordered and got our food in about 6 to 7 minutes. All they serve is chicken, so it's a combination between chicken tenders, chicken sandwiches, and then all types of chicken sandwiches. They also have fried pickles. They don't look very appetizing. They're very sour. I probably will never get these again. I have tried one of their fries. There's like a sweet sauce on it, like a sweet seasoning, dry rub. I will say the food is not hot. It's lukewarm, which is probably why it came to us so fast, because they probably prepared in bulk. So this is the Korean chicken sandwich. It has chicken tenders, coleslaw, Korean barbecue sauce, and pickles. Well, let's see. So you'll get my true, honest opinion. First, this bread is not warm. It's kind of cool. So let's see. It's a chicken sandwich. I can taste the barbecue sauce, the slaw, pickles I can't taste. The chicken flavoring, sorry, is okay. So I'm wiping my mouth with a receipt. We don't have napkins. It's okay. Here's, what do you think?
I got the chicken, fried, and I just tasted fried, and it's really good. And the chicken is really good.
How's the chicken tender?
I never tried the chicken.
Okay, tell me how it tastes. Is it hot? It's hot. His chicken tender is hot.
Taste wise, taste good. Bye.
You like it?
So we're at Chicken Guy. I got the Southern style chicken tenders. The difference is it's a little more crunchy, a little more base in their flouring. It's like in a video before this, the food is not hot, it is lukewarm. I got the ranch and the garlic aioli, garlic parmesan sauce, so I'm gonna take a bite. Chicken tender has a little flavor, kind of bland. The ranch really does have a lot of flavor. It's very fresh, you can tell it's homemade. That is the key ingredient here. I'm gonna try the garlic parmesan. It doesn't really have any flavor to it, doesn't really have any taste. So I wouldn't recommend coming back to this place, but if you are really hungry and in a pinch at Disney Springs, check out Chicken Guy. Thank you.
I wouldn't come back. I don't like lukewarm food, and it's just mid. It's really mid. If you're hungry, yeah. But if there are a lot of places open, I wouldn't ever. Again.